We're just going to do a quick check to see what channel we are on. And then choose the best one. Actually, that looks like the best one, channel 4 on 2.4 gigahertz. So we'll stick with that. Right, let's give it a good go. Do 60 meters. 60 meters in height. And then we'll just go forward. It's getting on, it's getting quite late, probably about 10 to 8 in the evening. Yeah, that'll do, that's perfect. Right, okay then. So we got a strong wind warning already. We're at 310 meters away. .500 meters is getting quite windy, I can feel that. Flying over the fields, beautiful countryside, many sheep all over the place. 600. Strong wind. I'm going to descend a little bit. We'll go down to 50 meters. We going towards the woods now. $860. Wow. Yeah, it is quite windy. We're going to try and keep to the road actually. I think I'm losing it. It's lagging. I've got 17 satellites, 18 satellites. We're just over a kilometer away. Don't know, I keep getting these strong wind warnings. 28 meters. Right, let's see what I can do with my additions here. So we got the parabolics. We've got the parabolics on right now. Let's carry on. I'm a little bit scared as I've lost, well, I've actually crashed my first Mavic Mini. This is my second replacement. So I do recommend you get the DJI Care Refresh program. Oh, it's getting quite windy. Oh, we're going nearly 1300 here. This is sort of a valley here, so whether or not it might protect me, I don't know. We're starting to lose signal at 1400 meters. We've lost it. We've lost signal.